He represents what? A symbol of unification. Share the number of people coming back. Share a whole Kennedy who stood against NPP and was always lambasting NPP.
Everyone for aha Ghana TV GH. Message like, comment, subscribe. Turning on notifications so that anytime the video gets away,
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a symbol of unification and a purposeful person. His posture, the atmosphere, a show of dance, demonstrates that the NPP is back on its feet to work for victory 2028. Today, the Ghanaian voter who voted for NDC has regretted. They are weeping. They are disappointed for making that mistake. Today, a year say, Omusu say Mahama Dada wom. A from Omusu, Sukufu Osu, Bebia. People are disappointed. Their only hope is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to come 2028 to rebuild the nation. Voice, it is unfortunate and disappointing for our brother, our friend, our leader, Kennedy Agyapong, to disappear, to absent, and from that program. Look, the program wasn't an organized program by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Yet the party NPP's program. You decided to lead the NPP. And at the same party, you had the heart to lead a organizing program, a Thanksgiving program for a successful programmer, and I say, yeah. Now we would say, unko. The same party now person would do any organizing program, you decided not to go for no apparent reason. Did you have the heart for the party you wanted to come and then lead? See, your best he advises, they should begin to advise him and tell him, say, look, my brother, what you are doing, you are calling doom for yourself. At Alan Chamatin, yeah, now okoye no ene wajinsemu. Today he doesn't know his left from right. He's left in dilemma. He doesn't know where to move to. NDC is not ready to accept him. Neither is he coming back to NPP and Wakamfinfin. So they say, does he want to become like Alan Chamatin? The party nankasa a builder make you the successful person now you are today, no? The same party you are turning your back at. Into your best friend, achia emuye. Now it's time for him to sit down again and then put himself together and come back to the party. Bedi Akumehu, I see you, brother. Right. For me, Ghanaians want to see the best. Ghanaians want to see a better NPP. Now, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I said earlier on, said he represents what? A symbol of unification. Share the number of people coming back. Share a whole Kennedy who stood against NPP and was always lambasting NPP left, right, center. Today, it's back to the party.
Yeah.
Chairman Afoko is back to the party. Share your friends say, all the people are back to the party. What is it telling you? Share Abna Sari. Your friend is say, they are back to the party. And if you alone decide to take Weya, You are taking a risk for your own self. People will see you to be a greedy, to be a selfish and self-centered person. So they are saying, it is time for us to come together as the people of elephant. Because look, the elephant is bigger than any individual person.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wouldn't be there, but the elephant will still exist. Ebiana, minua, your friend is a voice, and I be ye leader. I may yin I be supporting no. Ebiana mina me be ye leader. Near babe supporting me. Ebiana be diakon, and I said Mama Pounds, and they be ye leader. We need to come together as one people because the Ghanaians are now turning back to NPP. Look, a brave we are seeing na year day. Na COVID, Russia, Ukraine, ebe say we are no. Nanado didn't disappoint Ghana. Upon all that, no, he was able to put together free SHS, Agenda 111 project, the AstroTurf, Digitalization agenda, e-gate, ambulance, the drone system.
Yo.
See, Ghanaians have the hope for NPP. Let's come together for them to give us their vote come 2028.
No mo so do fa ko to kin anim second onkofo bi yesi nti fra omo na no omo nkasa so ta say dan say ukotie na wo ba ha na wo be kan me hu say hu hia na say wo ne platform so na wo akanta na enhu hia nti ye ne mo na ese mo report omo mpanyimfo say na bi mo ye nti mo sro mo hu ken na ken so e de nkasa nchira nkofo no mo nya do mo ye na ten say ken na no tuma ken 2028 wontimi nkasa wontimi nye campaign maken so say they make what you say so nti say mo report ma mpanyimfo so ne ken ehu ken na ken omo ne ken e kasa na ken so ene esa nkofo omo ye say we nyina maken omo kasa ati so mo bejai so ati say omo bejai ti mesere mo mo so we so ade ye suma mo kakra ti na mo so ma di hudwuma amaye why
we di mpanyimfo na kasa omutie omunum de ekosi ne tambia yes on platform na moment sempe ni follow pa
oh minim so mo follow but sa ngofo no mo ye sa adwuma di na makina omo asema making so mo report ma wo mo mo report so mo ne ken empanyimfo no ene ken kasa say onkofo bi di dwuma bi say etia party no ndo no mo kasa what I say ndo ken no ebam na so fresh ankofo we nyina that nsem mo kan nyina no mo bejai so what I say dan say o ba kwatie no be kan ha and also be kwa the platform so na bi akwadi di na tema na so akokanta wo mo still no wo hye na bufu so what I say na mesra kuafo e bi na kuyani bi gina so NDC fo omo ye campaign no yewura mahama so obetu kokoo nim ama wo mo I think say omo nti meka nkire say edwama so eboa dede ate abafom ana say edwama so boa akosoro I think say yewura mahama enye ne first time oda ba abamuni atofo se enye ne first time oda ba abamuni sami jamfi enye ne first time oda ba abamuni empanyfo mu di NDC ache nyina enye mo first time oda ba abamuni omo nim say cocoa price ekosoro na abafom nti enne cocoa price abafom a adenti na obeka sa asema eche kuafo say there be cocoa price abafom dey say yetimu pay so na say one bag bi edema mu bi say yeteso nti mesra kuafo say abufu na ashomu no mabufu ni nkoso anshomu because ndi for munim papa any bone omunim say where price kosoro na where price na tia abafom omunim all this nyina nya mo first time omudi ba abamuni ene nya mo first time ye di cocoa ade duma di e show mensa omunim se cocoa na tie ba soro na abafom ekosoro na abafom omunim we nyina ndu meka nchiro mo say cocoa no bo na abafom tino ba one bag bi edema obi ye 10,000 every so what I say enti cocoa fuo no cocoa akuafo no omo nyisa na ada we ene entro we enyini omo nyisa se we de enyini omo nkoso na abufuo enhye mu entia NDC fuo because eye boa paye ene ni da ho ene omo fa so ate price ne so se be ya omo so ombenya bi adi se be ya omo so benya bi adi na sebe se wo de wo so wote so kra solution wo de na ade to so no wodi na wodi toso no nka tie no free so nka na kufa be na wodi ma wo mo no 3001 nka sa enkenka no de nanka fama akuafo wate ase no wanya bibia ma wase ya wo ja so sa akobɔ no koro no de me ka che akuafo sɛ NDC fo enye mo first am de ba aba mi no o ma ba ba mu a ebepim ne enti no mo nyi ntum sɛ red class na red market na price na aba fom o minim ni nyina nti o ma hyɛ da pa na o ma te cocoa price ni so resi me das
yo nana safo me das sɛ wabɔ no gab yankɔ senior man
that's
senior man
Mamin draw me nua be man nana safo adwumra bibi so
yeah yetie pa gab
enyoma na ekoso wo omo platform ne so no de nti ayi mu bi no de ba ahanomo ebe ka emie nyina ye ya aware no I can state it without fear and favor say Ken any movie me mamo example recently okoye ni meeting me say you the platform this one that you ba omunim ekache ne nkrofo no koshom ne say ne nkrofo ni bi no more formal no a petition ma ne say onko independent ba onyamfa sa adwen no inti say ye gya haka say onim de voice no eye wo formal no na ne ye ni no kra ma ye ho secondly say ye ka say omo ye adwuma NDC a 100% no kra 100% no kra because ene okomo platform nso bi no a ade a esi between Otibonsu whatever concerning the building na ye wo hu document a ye prove actually mo say Semira Baumia enim ho hwe no these people are still peddling this falsehood inti say ye din e ka say se omo ka bibi ye mfi omo solution ye ti ase ina NDC for ebe ka che say Haptel Dr. Mahmoud Baumia dia
yeah it's true
ina NDC for be ka che say Dr. Baumia twanto Baulaya
yeah
then I can go join the campaign or kai recently one ko say before say ko to abo one ko say Baumia trofo
okay
meaning say sa papa we say no on any chronics no they are working for NDC insist e mo be ka bibi eton framamu na se abam be banta na ko ban say yes asem no say ye nya no kre na ye twa asem ni bi ye dia ye no kre no o me ba be ka say oh the boys ne ka no kra esanse response bi amba ni ntine ye no kre o ti ase ye no kre inti say ye come platform so a ye fro ne make sure say ye be banta omo wetu no kre no omo mpeni so be see for
ye kwa omo fire omo nim say ye de ye nkoka say ye be di omo atem ti omo fire
me dem omo nim omo obi ti say phobia member say me kwa the platform so a me na me request because I'm requesting us for family onim say me ndi na temo ba no kre ne meka because onim be dia ye free ba ina ye mu bi no se ka se be ena me call Ken 2028 me ka chen say Ken hwe me unim Kennedy General me metime destroy Kennedy Agyapong metime destroy no one time because ye mu bi no no before say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia be balam light ni mu kra no ye call no say nka o me so be kai a ni video bi ba bon to be ka say emebunu bi ba ne chen say onko president ka chen say e be president ago chop ye call no me ne Felix Apia ye call no ye ko petition no o ka chen say ye nko na ni business na o ye inti ye mu bi ni Ken from scratch o inti o mo
na ba obi ti say o
exactly
obi ti say o gab obi ti say Mr. Felix Apia na adwen mu do ane omo nyina ye campaign e de ama Dr. Baumia e just mo de o Dr. Baumia
busa sa question no solution mi so uria o de hit mo back door memma o videos bu be ba wonu maka ana memma o evidence bu be ba wonu maka say inti Ken yes ade we say nyina ye mu bi ne ma me kasa keke o we know what we talking about. Na so far your imagine say be destroy doctor yen mu bi ne be ma Ken be ma na stroke mi do nyankopon yen no ya been say ye focus on doctor campaign so ye turn the obetimi aye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia about the political lens you know everything in Ghana is being done equally now baby ano ye nyi we nsi nchen say asoma si de ufiri ha ana say obenti ufiri anti ye mfa ho nka ho For all you could know, no, maybe the ideas that the man is bringing, no, is going to benefit you supporting that man that you want to bring into. Abua papu no ni ken camp. Abua papu kwasia no ni ken camp. Ye to abawi en kwasia sembe no na ma oka. En kwasia sembe no inti omo no na omo tare ken no. Omo nim ken chen wo na wo te platform so na wudin kwasem no. Omega bo.
Kwame ansa mu nyina ba owase otie no wakoka.
No wo ho eno ba omo ba obi ti say boy ba ku yo kan Omega wo UK. Oh, Rethini din. First time oba me platform ase. Oba no be comment
I practice na bentu ya.
Debi hwe kwase adin bi zo omo use. Debi onu de. Onu de oye like oye wo eyi kakra. Ba ku kra so America. Omo ba me platform so. Onu o
so ba ku bi na ni hanom na pakakra bi kokko bi mehunu.
Ena ba ku bi
se da nim ni din no.
Ena ba ku bi ase ne sin ejre o mu kakra. Me so amunya ba me platform so. Ba ye no no ye mo ti ase se ye nyi obi abetimi di sika apesu edi yen o da bi. Ye ya ye to ye data ne de support me baby am won me nhwe se doctor amra na me nkodi position bia o. Ba me pese doctor ba. Na akola no wo Ghana no ne ho to no. Ye mu se ye ho se again a BEC for Nkwala INT ene ya to omo registration fee by 20%. That is the thing we need to focus on.
President Mama skabeble awanya wo abrabom Ghana politics mu no. Uti ask any mom say na nadu dan kwakufu adubai. Otu afi 2017 na bepem 2024 fee so free.
Enu na wase nke ye gina platform so na nke kan wase the bank
Munko chado President Mama ni fie e dan nkura more than 500 enegu 1 yard mu dan nkura more than 500
that media ala sana me twa mo platform ase what you asema no omo say omo no omo de omo person omo yare say omo be yesa na yen ya ba be kan yen ya ba be kanta wo mo na chese ye ja ba ne nsam na ye ka no
diverse attention
omo kan no ma me say ye me can because of ebia obefo aba na akoye jejejeje wo no akoso from now there dey only this guy
ye na se ne be ya ye nya time enton doctor ba solution edum sendra wutie comment na me ye o me plan me catch am say right now na ya to aba na wie ne de ade betimi a divert attention and so mbechi president Kufo asa apart from nobody on social media can banter us apart from no inti omu yodo no omu ye de ye nti you emfa ye ho because nsem na mo be kan no mo kan ye bantamu the documents any evidence e be ba be prove no wrong ni e make sure say ya sem no e be dru Ghana ni no wo form ho no e be dru no ho no hey as to what Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aka twam as to no ni nyina twam ye say ofiachi enya abofo no ofiachi enya abofo no se muni particular mi campaign ti a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia esa ko ja campaign so e ko born nse ma ne say o tan okodu anu ayi ni milika dia wo na wo je campaign ama no mi hu ne say adwi ni
we need that
it me no whole time and then I make a solution ye bo adwuma ye nkoso nye mo adwuma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia oba minu mienu no ebia na benefit aye pe no enye kakraka bia o enso solution me catch you say ene a wotie ya wase wo time a wotie wo fase binti na wo ko wo fase binti o
me wo ba first one ye be wo
exactly and you interested but Ken and Crawford they are fighting for their own interest. By a mass idea succeeding the bokoso aye adwuma the bokoso aye adwuma to say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebeba be president nti omo ya mo nhye omo say nipa na mo tag ne say oye krebu no ese no account for na support no 100% nti mo ya mo nhye mo Munsue nyansa munipa na mo pese mo de ne ba no obetwa entode na wo ntwa e obeka che se wakọ for that university ye koye investigation for that university after they say Wankona
Wangi.
say Guamana man na den. Hey, me say de so pese e ko dirty a e be ko dirty ti say me catch primaries no aye kai o man jendi no tan ye be ko no ye be trom say ye mu bi no boy bi ti platform no here ai ono no o ma doctor lusu wo social media na e to aba o ma no lusu wo social media na form on the day na si wo
Na o NPP ni o kasa asem no.
forget
Oh, no,
no
NPP
so
say
on
on your MPP ni.
sɛ ɔmo panyin no yɛ obi a ɔgyene kɔ eyi a ɔnkan so ɔmo di n'akyi yɛ no no vote eduru si yɛ to prime minister aba no ɔmo ni hɔ mesi ɔmo sɛ ɔmo ega so ɔmo kɔ yɛ survey na ɔmo
Mesi
present ama ken
ọmụ ọkra nkọmbetu ama yewura ba obi ha.
mesi omega say ɔkɔ yɛ survey ɔnkɔ yɛ na ɔnfa ɔmo di ɔmo yɛ
Gab wonim de nti amenya ai like menya ni daso
Confident.
wo hwe 2023 yekọ internal primaries constituencies bebre wa kra ne baby Dr. Bawumia Wini
ɛhɛ
Mayafi we no Dr. Bawumia Wini which means say nkabom na start if down
mɛma one particular place bosome frɛ hɔ Dr.
What
Mahmoud
you
Bawumia lusu totally but this time around onya almost 70% wɔ into nothing can break us Ghana ni no afi na ohun enyoma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ka afford beba no afi na ohun ɛso
yes
mfasoɔ because
yeah
John Mahama bɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ ompɛ digital opɛ dɔkono ne nkyinam na sɛ ne ɔno asɛ twa no abɛka sɛ to fight corruption we need digitalization yeah also say the man has something good the man
yeah
has that sense the man has that caliber to lead a country called Ghana into success and that is why we are bringing Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia with the manuals.
senior man yedasi
Senior man no.
yedasi so